Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to disable Extra Dim shortcut in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. We have our shortcut on the bottom right of our screen. Someone set it up for us, or we did it earlier and we want to remove it. How to do it? We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility menu here and Visibility Enhancements. And our Extra Dim options are right here. Extra Dim shortcut. Now, as you can see, it's enabled as I showed you before. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this box and our shortcut menu disappeared, or our shortcut disappeared from our accessibility menu. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.